Maili family is actually includes 4 types of filler. It delivers a subtle and stunning result. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Celine from TTDI. Today, aesthetic product sharing, I'm going to introduce to you guys the Maili Filler. Maili is a Swiss-developed filler created in collaboration with leading Swiss scientists to advance the filler landscape. It features the patented oxy-free technology, which preserves long hyaluronic chain by eliminating reactive oxygen. This process ensures a stronger, more stable cross-linking of HA with BDDE, resulting in a smooth, spring-like gel that provides excellent volume, projection, and long-lasting effect. You guys must be wondering what is BDDE. BDDE is a chemical that bind 2 HA chain together. So thanks to this oxy-free technology, practitioner can achieve a more natural look and feel with minimal product, as the filler is soft and elastic. This unique elasticity is referred to as Smart Spring technology. The Smart Spring technology allows the filler to adapt to facial movement, providing a natural response to pressure without breaking down easily. This helps extend the filler longevity while minimizing structural breakdown. Besides that, Maili also includes lidocaine to reduce discomfort and improve patient experience. Maili family is actually includes 4 types of filler, which is Precise, Define, Volume, and Extreme. Maili Precise designed for treating fine lines and wrinkles in delicate facial area like surrounding the eye, lips, and forehead. Maili Define is ideal for filling deep wrinkles and reshaping lips, whereas Maili Volume intended to restore volume to area of facial lacking subcutaneous fat, such as cheek, temples, and chin. Lastly, Maili Extreme, the most powerful option, designed for sculpting and shaping the face such as chin and jawline. Well, Maili is designed for these 4 main things. First, restore youthful volume to target sunken cheek, hollow temple, and more. Secondly, smooth wrinkles, erase the fine line and fold on your face for more hydrated and refreshed look. Third, to enhance the features from fuller lips to a sharper jawline. We can customize it to suit your facial features. Number 4, most importantly, it delivers a subtle and stunning result for patients. As you know, at eClinic, we always try to bring industry best practice, latest technology, and updated technique to treat our patients. Rest assured, as doctors, we will only introduce products that based on proven clinical trial and research. This is to ensure patient safety, effectiveness, and a tailored approach to meet patients' needs. See you at your next appointment with us. Bye!